Okay. Hi everybody. I am Liza, and first we are going to be doing our cheeks. Here we have our blush. I know it's kind of messy. I got this for Christmas, but let's go starting. First we're going with our cheeks. It's gonna be pink. Just letting you know. Okay. You kind of have to get that motion down to the cursive. Okay. And then with my blush, you're just gonna move your hair out of the way, and you're just gonna brush it. You see how like my cheeks are getting woozy now? You see that? Okay, we're done with the first cheek. Now let's get started with our other cheek. Okay. Okay, here we have our brush again. And we're gonna do what I did. So now you move your hair. And more of that. Okay, I'm gonna be kind of bad at my eyes, but let's get started with my eyes. Okay. So first we're gonna be starting with green. So okay. Okay. Keep doing it. As long as you want, so you can get that greenish on your eye. Okay, we did that first eye. Now let's get started with that other eye. Okay, here we go with that other eye. I have a mirror in front of me. Okay, now first and then second of all, we should be doing our lipstick. So I got this from my stocking. That's kind of well, there's a little bit more makeup right now, but let's do this one. Doesn't show at all. That's okay. And your lipstick is okay. I know I live in New York. We have snow, lots. Okay, look at that. Now I think what we're gonna got this in my stocking too. It's a little big. Well, not as big. It's long. It smells pretty good. Okay. I hope you have a great day watching my makeup tutorial. Bye.